Welcome back to I'll Choose channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to change language on your Android. So let's dive in. You go to your settings. Let's go to our settings. Search your settings. This is it. Click on your settings here, and you come here to display and brightness. Click on display and brightness here. Scroll up here, and you'll see language and input. Click on language and input, and this is the language. This is it. This is only one, so click on other language, and this is it. Just browse, and you can click to any language here. So let me say I'm going to click on one language here. This is French, and you can say apply language. Click on yes, and this is it. I have automatically changed my language to that. You can see so this is it now. So you can switch between these two language now. This is French and this is English language. So I'm just going to switch back now, back to my normal English language. Just click on apply language, and this is it. I have switched back to English language. So you can switch to any language that you prefer on your Android. So guys, if you please for this video helpful, click the like button, share and comment.